How to write a song using Udio music generator. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the udio.com and sign up using your Gmail account or your Discord or any other method that you prefer. After that, you would be able to find this screen over here. You can check out the trending music which is created by some of the people out there just like us, and we can simply create a music or write a song by simply typing up over here like the kind of song that you are looking for. Suppose I'm looking for a song about, that's it. Now we can select the kind of music that we are looking for. We can select the pop rock and we can select some other forms as well if we want to. And here at the bottom we can select whether we want to write our own lyrics or not, whether we want a instrumental video or we want the lyrics to be auto generated. Simply select this option and after that click on this option of create. Then you would have to wait for a while and let it create. And this is how you would be able to get the songs that you were looking for. Here you get different options, like if you want to remix this particular song, you can select this option, and if you like it and you want to extend this particular song, then click on this option of extend, and this would extend the song by 30 seconds. You can publish it up and this would be seen by rest of the people on Udio, just like you can see other people's song over here. And you get some more options over here, like you can download, delete or share this particular song, and this is how it all works. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.